Hey everyone, I'm Parvanshi, and I'm the co-founder of Lica, and we're building an AI video producer, or you can say AI video assistant for your businesses. Before we dive any deeper, how many of you have created any kind of videos, be it social media videos on Instagram or for your business or you're an influencer? Okay. And how many of you have a business agency which has a social media platform, which is going live on Instagram or TikTok? Cool. So, as you all know, video creation is super, super hard. We ourselves have used all kind of tools, and they're super painful. And the fact of the matter is, video creation should be easy for everyday people, and that is what we are trying to do at Leica. So, without diving into any deeper, this is our platform. This is how it looks like. This is a very in detailed view because I'm the admin and I can see everything. If you guys try to log in, you'll just see two text boxes, one where you can enter your story and another one where you can input any kind of style. Now, style here can be, oh, give me a breathy tone, give me a British voice, or it could also be something related to give me a funny Instagram video. So we'll go through a couple of different examples. So the first one that I thought of is this one. So for example, you had a new launch for your company, right? I'm taking this one, which is a new Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses launch, and this is what the blog post looks like. So it has a couple of images. It has pretty detailed text of what the individual features are. So I'm going to take this URL and I'm just going to paste this here. And I'm going to type this as maybe I should just copy paste from my previous prompts so that I can be faster. So yeah, I can be like elaborate this properly and give me a earthy green theme for the video. And without doing anything custom, I'll just click on generate and wait for a few seconds. While that is being generated, I just want all of us to observe like what videos are there and what images are there and kind of visualize what would be an ideal video for a launch look like. So let me see. Okay, let me try to play this.
Introducing the latest advancements in Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses and Meta AI. We're excited to announce several new updates to the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses collection. Discover the new Skylar frames for a vintage vibe, custom frame and lens combinations, and prescription compatibility. Introducing the low bridge option for our headliner frames, ensuring a comfortable fit for all. Share those special moments and get real-time advice with hands-free video calling. Rolling out soon. With Meta AI, you can now control your glasses with your voice, get real-time information, and even translate text in real time. Pre-order your new Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses today on Meta. Calm and Ray-Ban. Calm.
So yeah, sometimes the voiceover is a bit weird, but we are working on it. But the whole idea is how can you take a web page, understand what kind of video the user wants, match it to a specific kind of music, add certain kind of visuals at the right places, and give you a perfect enough or nearly perfect first draft. This is going to be just, let's say 60% perfect. And then you can go there. And the cool thing about our product is you can edit everything. So you can go here, let's say, I don't know, I'll just write what, and you can see live updates here in the video. You can also do something like add me a background image, and let's see what it does. So ideally, it takes the slide, and I want a really good background image. It should work. Let me see. Did that work? Oh no, it's still working on it. So it might take a few minutes. And before that, we also have a chat option. So right now, every kind of video editing tool is pretty much works like a traditional editing, right? Where we want to head away is you can edit videos like you're talking to a real person. So you should be able to talk to it like you're saying, change the colors to something like Facebook, or change the colors to, oh, so the image gets added here. And I did not specify what kind of image, so it just took something on its own. I can be here like, change the colors to something similar to Facebook's. Um, and it should be able to recognize what Facebook's colors are. So if we go here, so this is blue and white, and let's see what it comes up. Yeah. So it kind of understands what the theme is, and it kind of auto updates there. So yeah, that's like the whole idea. You can also ask it to change music from here, either directly, or you can also go and chat to it like, hey, can you make the music more calming? You can also turn on and off different types of captions. You can add different sections of slides here, also just talking about it and describing it in natural language. Yeah. And this is like a good enough first version, and then you can download it and probably put it on different kinds of socials. So this is like the first part of what I wanted to show today. The second one is how we are treating different kinds of asset uploads. So these are all dog pictures of my co-founder. She's also here. She just came in. And she loves her dog. And the individual pictures are something like this. So it's like random. I'm not able to bring it to this screen for some reason. Uh, yeah. So yeah, these are like kind of the pictures where she's hugging the dog, and the dog is kind of wearing glasses. And yeah, this one is generated. So I upload these, and I want to give a story as this one, where Dobby is the dog's name, is an adorable 3-year-old husky, mixing, living his best life in California. He's the kindest, goofiest dog in the whole world. He has abandoned a shelter and always holds a positive attitude, and he has a past waiting to be discovered. And now to this, I want to give a very in detail style prompt, which would go something like this. So the video should be the agent has to use these images to create a video teaser for an intriguing story worthy of an Oscar with suspense and twists, and use these visuals appropriately and create a whole new magical world. And a Muggle world, and use a posh British female voice, use only images provided in the screenplay and nothing else, and give me earthy tones. So I'll click on generate with different kinds of video styles. Wait a couple of seconds. Oh, perfect. So let's see what it gives us.
In a world where not all tales begin with a silver spoon, there was once a noble canine prince destined for greatness, but fate had other plans, casting our hero into the realm of mortals. Now known as Dobby, our prince found himself in a peculiar place called a shelter. But even in the darkest times, Dobby's spirit remained unbroken. At the tender age of 3, this goofy prince found his castle in the sunny lands of California. With each passing day, Dobby's kindness touched the hearts of all around him. But behind those dreaming eyes lies a past waiting to be uncovered. Will Dobby ever reclaim his royal heritage? Or is his true kingdom right here? The tale of Prince Dobby, the kindest, goofiest dog in 2 worlds, continues.
Yeah, and so this is a really nice video, which I think she also put it on her Instagram. And then you can say like, change the color styles to more, let's say, ocean-like. And we'll wait for a couple of more seconds. Cool. And it kind of like understands what ocean-like is. You can be also more detailed where you want a mixture of ocean-like and earthy tones, or you want it to be, I don't know, pretty dark or techno-like, and it understands everything. Moving on to like a next really cool use case, which we are actually going to release later this week, is this one. So this is, for example, a product video, which you have recorded on your phone for your web app.
If you want to initiate returns for your source products, all you have to do is head over to your Wishlink dashboard, go to the brand section, click on Source Now, click on My Orders. This will give you a list of all of the products.
Right. So this is an example like product video. Now you want to, obviously this needs a lot of processing and you want like a good product video out of it. So what I'm going to do is just I pasted the video and then I'll paste this. So this is, this product video is by a company called Wishlink. And I'll just say create a step-by-step product demo video. And I'll say take the styles from their website. So this is what their website looks like. So it's really bright, colorful. They have a lot of like orange, yellow palette. And I'm just going to click on generate. And I wait for a few minutes to kind of get a process product demo video, which I can then pass on to my customers or put it on my website as a new feature launch video.
Welcome to our quick guide on initiating returns for products sourced from Wishlink. We'll walk you through the simple steps to make your return process smooth and efficient. First, log into your Wishlink account and navigate to your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your orders and returns. Once on the dashboard, go to the Brand section, click on Source Now, and you'll see your orders under My Orders. This is where you'll find a list of all the products you have sourced through Wishlink. Scroll through your orders to find the specific item you wish to return. For the order you want to return, look for the Return Product button and click on that. After confirming the return, your return will have been placed successfully.
Yeah, so basically in one click, you can get a nearly perfect demo video out for your new product. You can use this internally or external communication. A lot of people are using this feature for FAQs, where a lot of people ask questions, and instead of writing text and answering questions again and again, they can just actually pass a video generated just for them, a custom video for their custom questions. Another cool use case, which I really like, is my sister calls me like a wannabe influencer these days because I'm working on video generation and everything. But this is a video which I recorded, which I plan to eventually put it on Instagram. So I've been trying to eat healthy, and the process is like I buy all the green veggies from Instacart and I watch them slowly die in the fridge, and then I order pizza. So what I will do is, that's me. I'll put this video here, and I want something more funny and something more processed, not something which I recorded in my office, right? So I'll just do this, like I want a funny video and make it more exciting and add visual hooks. So I'll click on generate, wait a couple of more minutes. Cool, let's see what it gives out. So I'm trying to and the process is like I buy all the green veggies from Instacart and I watch them slowly die in the fridge, and then I order pizza with wine by Mr. Shore. So it kind of makes it more engaging. It's not perfect, but I don't have a very intense video editing background, so it works for me. Another cool thing, which we have received a lot of requests from enterprises, is everyone wants custom templates. So, for example, if you are an enterprise who wants not Leica templates, but you want something of your own, so you can go to our Leica, you can talk to us. And so this is a company which is a medical transcription company, and they write a lot of blogs. Like everyone writes a lot of blogs for SEO, but they don't know that they can also use this for growing their social media, for marketing and other use cases. So what I'm just going to do is type here, and I'll just copy the story here and the custom prompt here. Just FYI, this model is not perfect. So if you want to get custom templates, right now we jump on a call to understand your requirements and we get your custom template out within a day. So this is like, I take this URL. So I give this URL and the task is to generate a custom template video from the content of the page. And what I'm just going to do, because the model takes a lot of time for this, is going to go to this video, which people have already been generated. And
DeepScribe is integrating with Epic. Now fully compatible with Epic's smart data elements for customized clinical solutions. This integration streamlines workflows and improves the clinician-patient experience. Clinicians at Covenant Healthcare see a 75% reduction in after-hours documentation. Explore more on deepscribe.ai.
so this is literally like
DeepScribe is integrating with Epic.
So this is literally like a one-click output, and we still do some modifications to make the template perfect just by taking the website URL. So we understand what is the color theme of the website, the logo. There are a lot of like waves in the logo. So you'll see in the template, like there are a lot of waves here. And then we give like a gradient blue theme so that it goes along with what the rest of their blogs are and give you a custom template. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. I'd be happy to take in questions and would love to hear thoughts from everyone about how they can use Lica. Let's play what the video came out to be.
Welcome to Yizer, the revolutionary social AI platform for professionals. Yizer is not just another social network. It's a game changer in the world of professional connections. Our mission? To fight loneliness, one YayPal at a time. In today's digital age, we're bringing back the essence of real human connections. With Yizer, you can meet in person, one-on-one with another professional, and do something genuinely real and meaningful. It's time to get off your phone and on the stage of your life. Step outside, where real life happens. Imagine joining the right person, at the right time, in the right place, doing something fun, right now. That's the Yizer experience. Be the first to join our journey and have a say in what Yizer becomes. Join our exclusive beta group now and start sharing the real you. Yizer, where professionals connect in real life.
Yeah, and you can go and edit everything here. So we leave this responsibility to the user to check all of these, at least for now. But Priya, do you want to add more?
The videos that we put here from the stock videography, that's free for you to use. That's from public repositories where you don't have any copyright claims. However, if you're going to upload any videos or if there's any AI-generated videos from different sources and it's coming from you, then the responsibility is more on the user. And the stuff we take from the website, the consent that you're giving is we are scraping the website on your behalf. So that responsibility wouldn't lie on us. But we are working with specific content providers to see if we can widen the repository and making it very clear to the user what can be used, the terms of it, and things like that. But anything that comes out of Lica today, when you go use it, you're free to use it wherever you want. For sure, for now, all the topics have been very safe for work, children, and everyone in between. But we have not ran into those issues and we don't intend to support those topics as well. But we are an early stage startup using AI. So if you come across anything, just report to us and we'll be happy to take it down.
Yeah, right now, if you try to generate a video on like sexual content, it would just fail. So, and that's because a lot of APIs don't support that and we don't support that. We don't generate scenes. We are not replacing camera-generated footage. And the reason for that is we're doing business communication where people want to generate communicative information, right? Like, for example, this video, which talks about a product and that they can download and put it on their social media. So this is the first part of the problem where we have our own prompt library. So once you're on board, we give it to you. We understand your requirements and you can save your prompts. And usually, if it's a business, they usually want to use the same kind of tone for their social media or internal communication. And the cool thing about this is you can still go and edit everything. You don't have to play around with words. Like if you want a certain word here, you can just type it up rather than saying, hey, make it, I don't know, like more harsh or include these keywords. You can actually change it. On the second part, where chat-based editing versus traditional editing, we definitely believe the future is a mixture of both. Like there are some things which are just easier to go here and change. Like if I just want to change one word, I don't have to write it, hey, can you go to this particular part of the video and change this word to this? I can just go here and do it, right? So, but there are some things, for example, I don't have to change the color for every, layout which comes here, scene by scene. And I should just talk to an agent and be like, hey, change the colors to something, more earthy or more cinematic. So that's my opinion, where the future is an integration of both those things. And we are building that at Lica. Definitely. So you can say generate me like less than 30 seconds video or less than like 2 minutes video. Right now, we just support less than 3 minutes video because that's the use case we are dealing with. But in any case, if you want, let's say, to add a section, you can do it here. So if you don't, let's say if it comes out to be 15 seconds, you want to make it longer, you can talk to this chat and just say that, hey, add like these 3 scenes. One is on X, other is on Y, and the third one on Z. And it would automatically increase the length of the video and add those for you. I just uploaded a literal MP4 video, right? Like,
so the MP4 video of the recording of the return
exactly,
process?
Yeah. We are also going to be providing a record button here, so you can just use the platform to record any kind of product demo, and you can put it here, and I can think of the prompt which I put, but you give the prompt and the final video kind of comes up. You can ask it to do highlighting. You can ask it to focus on a certain feature more, which is the hero feature rather than other features.